Well, hello everybody. I'm Mitch, old guy and a drone. And today, I'm going to do a follow-up to the 3-hour live build that we did the other day and actually do a flight of the thing. So to make sure that everything works right and got all the pieces and parts right, that all the settings carried over correctly, and just do a quick little flight later to see how it compares with the way the Tyro 99 flew. This new drone is going to be referred to from here forward as the Mitch 5000, thanks to drone shots. So what you're watching here is a sped up live stream, a 3-hour live stream condensed to about 1.5 minutes worth of video. And that was the other day when I rebuilt the whole thing. And here in a couple of seconds, you're going to see the first test flight of the new Mitch 5000 drone, formerly known as Tyro 99. Okay, I'm out here, a little breezy morning, just to test out the rebuild of my Tyro 99, which is now going to be referred to, thanks to drone shots, as the Mitch 5000. So here we are. So we got the drone sitting out there on the cardboard, and I think I got everything recording here. So we're going to start it up and see if it does fly. Everything's gone in the right direction. There it goes. Yes, sir. Very little throttle. It appears that it works. Yes, sir, it definitely gets up and goes. Got the little Run Cam 5 on the front. We'll see how that video looks. I'm not going to do anything fancy with it here. It's kind of breezy and it's a little bit confined, but boy, it's just stable as can be. I'm very pleased with it. And I can't wait to get a nice morning and actually try an FPV flight with the thing. So let's see if we can set it back down on the cardboard here with the wind. Whoops, almost. There it is. And looks good. Disarm it. Unplug the battery. Check out the turn off the Run Cam 5, which should still be recording. No, for some reason it didn't. So it may be that the battery in that thing needed to be charged, which is probably what happened. And we'll stop the recording on the GoPro. So that worked out pretty good. There it is. And here I had recorded the feed from the camera on the drone itself. We'll stop that. There goes the buzzer, like it's supposed to, after 5 seconds with no battery. So we'll reach in here and we'll push the little button on the buzzer, and hopefully that'll just shut that off. There we go. So wasn't much of a flight, but I think it was a success. Anyway, let's go take a look and see what we got. So I'm just finishing up editing this video and thought I'd make a few parting comments. I'm very pleased with it. It went real well. The Tyro 99 flew okay. I just wasn't crazy about the bottom battery mount and the lack of room in the frame for the buzzer and maybe anything else that I might want to put in there. So I did this rebuild. The new frame cost $32 on Amazon and had $100 in the original Tyro. So I don't even think at $130 this is a bad price for what turned out to be such a nice drone. I mean, I would think comparable with drones at well over $200. It flies. It's hard to tell if it flies any different than it did. It's prettier, so I think it flies better, and I'm very happy with it. I'm looking forward to being able to take it out, do an FPV flight with it, and show you guys how that works out. So with that, finish up editing this and send it up to YouTube. And then I'm going to take the rest of the day off. I'd love to play with my drones, but it's raining outside. So until the next time, guys, see you later. Bye-bye.